Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at your friend's mansion and thought, yeah, but where's the charm? Today, we're not talking about castles or condos. We're diving into a glorious 33-foot single-level beauty by Tru Form Tiny that made me question every life decision involving square footage. This isn't just a home. It's what happens when luxury downsizing gets a high five from modern and practicality. Before we roll further down this tiny road of dreams, do me a favor, slam that subscribe button like it's a rattling RV cabinet door on a gravel road. I bring you the quirkiest, smartest, and most jealousy-inducing homes on wheels, and YouTube thinks I'm just a dude yelling into a composting toilet. Built on a 4-axle trailer, this 33-foot, 10-meter long, and 11-foot, 3.3-meter wide home offers a generous 378 square feet, 35.11 square of living space, all on one level. I believe that's more space than my buddy Dave's entire apartment, and he still insists on hosting poker night every week. The layout is genius. Living room on one end, bedroom on the other, and in between, a full-blown kitchen and a bathroom that feels more boutique hotel than backyard trailer. The kitchen has a standalone island with bar stools, a deep sink, and a dishwasher. There's also a 2-burner induction cooktop, a large oven, and even a full-sized fridge. Black cabinets, white countertops, green glazed ceramic tile backsplash, and copper accents that say, "Yes, I may live small, but I drink espresso with my pinky up." The white vaulted ceiling with exposed beams adds even more visual height. I liked the bathroom the most. Walk-in shower, green tiles, black fixtures. It's basically a spa with wheels. The bedroom even has its own entrance. Add a porch, and you've got yourself a tiny house that hosts better than half the Airbnbs I've been conned into booking. Now, Tru Form Tiny doesn't list the price for this model because it's custom, but based on what I've seen, you're easily looking at upwards of 200,000, 185,000 euros. If you're feeling generous or just want to help keep this channel alive for less than the price of a questionable gas station burrito, consider becoming a CampAvto sponsor.